Fasteners produces carriage bolts that have a domed head that is not designed to be driven. Set screws have a head smaller than the outer diameter of the screw. J bolts, for instance, have a J-shaped head which is not designed to be driven, but rather is usually sunk into concrete, allowing it to be used as an anchor bolt. The cylindrical portion of the screw from the underside of the head to the tip is known as the shank. It may be fully threaded or partially threaded, but these threads help hold the pieces together. Fasteners hold the world together. Fasteners.